Hello, my name's Diesel Dog. Welcome to my life. I'm a roof dog and proud of it. Hurry up, let me on this roof. I'm an edge dweller.
Spirit in the sky, will you fly with me through the stars with the sunlight beside me? 'Cause I'm in love with a dream.
I only weigh about 8 pounds, and I dream of becoming a flying squirrel. Because I love to live on the edge, but I am afraid of a stiff wind. Being on a rooftop in New York City has its advantages. I pee when I want. And I drink when I want. It's hot up here. I'm looking over the edge. You might say I'm standing on the precipice of doom. I pee where I want. I'm waiting. Are you done sunbathing yet? I want to go back down. I'm too hot. I wonder what it's like to be a fireman and use the fire escape. I want out of here. I'm too hot.
Spirit in the sky, will you fly with me through the stars with the sunlight beside me? 'Cause I'm in love with the dream